Hello everybody. So a few months ago I had an update on my video drivers, and with it I lost the ability to have Realview graphics on my Solidworks. That option just disappeared, and it's something I'd had working for a long time through that kind of hack on a registry. So it was fine for a couple of years, but when I had to update it lost it. So yesterday I was going through CapCut and I found a solution there that I thought maybe I should share with everybody. It worked for me, so maybe you guys could have it too. Okay, for those who do not know, Realview graphics, or if you're new in SolidWorks, Realview graphics it makes your object appear much more real to the eyes, as the name depicts actually. So instead of drawing it and it looks all cartoonish like it does right now, it makes it look rather real, much more appealing to the eyes. It's not too necessary, and sometimes it jacks your performance, but when you have it, I promise you probably never regret having it. So once we had a hack that changed that, made us able to access it on all kinds of computers. I actually have a gaming laptop, but I'm not able to have Realview active by default. So as you can see, I can't activate it by menu settings either. It's unavailable totally, and then we will be able to do that after that. So first things, close SolidWorks and open registry editor. Windows R, then you run regedit. Alright, now when you have regedit open, I'll put a path on the screen. So just open up that path, hotkey, software, then you open up SolidWorks. And then you open the recent version, the version of SolidWorks that you are running. If you're not running 2021, you'll see the version you're running there. Open performance, graphics, hardware, then check on current. As you can see, that is my current graphics card there. So that's my current one. Double click on it and copy it. Alright, then look for GI2 shaders. That's where we'll paste this. Then I'm using Nvidia card, so the highest Nvidia card there is NV40. I open it up, add a new key to it. Don't rename, just paste what you copied. That's the name. And when you've done that, inside that, add a new D word. For me, I'll rename this D word workarounds. No errors. You make an error here, you fail. Okay, modify the key. The value that worked for me was 70408. Now I'll put other options that might work as well if this doesn't work for you. Okay, now generally this was supposed to work for every case, but that's what used to work. This was where we ended the work, but unfortunately I don't think that this will work alone on its own. We have to do a second step now. We move down to Nvidia community, Nvidia corporation rather, sorry. Move down to Nvidia corporation, and then we create a new key again, and this time around we still paste the name of the card like we did the first time, then new D word, still workarounds, and then modify it. This time around the key that worked for me, 40000. That is a key that worked for me. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and close your registry, reopen SolidWorks, and I'm pretty sure you should be good to go after that. Alright, so you see that 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 would look like green stainless steel. All right, I hope that this helps you, and this is my very first video on this matter. I'll keep up. If I have any other new solutions to anything, I'll post them here. Thank you.